Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to settle a kitchen debate, microwave versus air fryer, which one should you buy? So let's break down how they work, their pros and cons, and help you make the right choice. Let's first understand how microwaves work. So microwaves use electromagnetic waves called microwaves to heat food. These waves cause water molecule inside the food to vibrate, which generates heat and cooks the food from the inside out. That's why it heats food quickly. Microwaves emit non-ionizing radiation, which targets the water, fat, and sugar molecules in your food, making them vibrate and heat up fast. Non-ionizing radiation means that they are not harmful. These radiation are just like the radiation that you are exposed to on day-to-day life when you watch television, when you use Wi-Fi, and so on. So the myths about microwave that they cause cancer is totally wrong. Microwave are the safest way to heat your food without destroying its nutrients. It does not cause cancer. Now we understand how microwaves work. Let's look at some of their pros. So they are incredibly fast because they work on vibrating the water molecules. They are ideal for reheating or cooking in minutes. So from popcorn to defrosting meat, they can handle a variety of tasks in no time. And because it heats food directly, the microwave doesn't waste much energy. And there is some ease of use also. You just set the time, hit start, and you are good to go. However, there are some cons too. If you're just using the microwave, there are chances that you will lose the crispiness of the food, such as your pizza crust will become soggy. There will be chances of uneven heating, and then the cooking range is also limited. While great for reheating, microwaves aren't the best for making gourmet or crispy meals. However, if you have a convection microwave, then you can switch to the convection mode, and then your microwave can act as an oven where you can bake, grill, or roast your items. In the convection microwave, like this, the microwave technology is combined with convection cooking. Convection works on the principle of rotating the hot air. So you can switch between traditional microwave heating or use the convection mode to bake, roast, or crisp food like an air fryer, but with more functionality. However, you will have to learn to switch between the convection mode and the microwave mode, and you will have to use different set of utensils when you are using in microwave mode and when you are using in convection mode. The utensils that you use in convection mode you cannot use in microwave mode, such as steel, aluminium. These are not allowed in microwave mode. So these are some pros and cons of microwaves. Now let's talk about air fryers. Air fryers use convection heat to rapidly circulate hot air around your food, creating a crispy texture similar to deep frying but with little to no oil. So if you are a fan of fried foods but you cannot have that much oil, air fryer is your saving grace. They are great for fries, chicken wings, tandoors. They give you a healthier cooking option. You get the fried texture without a lot of oil. You can roast, bake, grill, and do a lots of things without using oil. So they are faster than a regular oven. They heat up quickly and cook faster than an oven. But in some functions, they are not that efficient like microwave, like in reheating food, cooking some items just such as rice, dals, and etc. So in microwaves, you can cook your regular items such as rice, dals, gravy items much faster, while in air fryer, you can cook your fried items. So they are not competitor of each other, but they complement each other. So it all depends on your cooking style. If you want an appliance for fast reheating, defrosting, simple meals, then microwave should be your choice. And if you like crispy fried fruits and do the baking on day-to-day basis, then air fryer is your best choice. However, you can opt for a convection microwave if you want versatility, where you have a microwave in which you can easily reheat and cook rice and dals, and in convection mode you can bake, roast, or get that crisp texture. Now there is also a concern about capacity and space. If you have limited counter space, a convection microwave is a great space saver, so you can replace two appliances in one. Air fryers are typically smaller, which might be limiting if you need to cook larger meals. So that is also one backside with the air fryers. Nowadays, there are options to get microwave and air fryer in one appliance. So you can go for that to save the space. But if you have room, each has its own benefit that complement each other perfectly. So which one should you buy? If speed and convenience are your priority, go for a microwave. For crispy, healthier cooking, the air fryer is a great choice. But if you want the best of both worlds, speed, crisping, roasting, and baking, the convection microwave offers you everything in one package. So let me know in the comments, are you team microwave or team air fryer? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews. Thanks for watching.